Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Shawnee, Oklahoma, and I'm getting ready to take a look at a motorcycle to buy. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
If you guys didn't know that I sold my motorcycle it's 4 or 5 days ago. Yes, I had seller's remorse. I really liked that motorcycle, but I needed to get a lighter one. So I found this one on Facebook Market, and it's about 3 hours from DFW up north in Oklahoma, and I am getting ready to go check it out. So y'all come along. Yeah, this is the muffler here that I'm gonna have to replace. It's too dead good loud. Alright, test riding this bad baby. Pipes are a little too loud for me. Well, I just bought a bike. Yeah, I got me a Honda Rebel, and I think it's going to be perfect. We actually pushed the bike up onto the ramp, two of us. We couldn't do that with the Goldwing, so that's one pleasing thing. So I am very happy about that. It has a little over 5,000 miles on it. Now the muffler, I'm gonna have to replace it because that sucker is loud. So, and I may put a couple of small bags on the back, and that's probably, oh, and the handlebars, I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Other than that, I won't have to do much to it. The tank is dented on one side, but everything else on it looks pretty good. And I rode it down the road, and it rode well. I was impressed. So I have a new motorcycle, and I'm headed back down to Fort Worth now. It's about a 3-hour drive, so I should get there just in time for traffic. Rush hour. Catch you on the road here in Shawnee, Oklahoma with the new motorcycle.
Lone Star Rider,